Hi everyone. So today I want to do a hairband which I'm going to be putting flowers onto. The flowers are going to be paper ones, so hopefully they don't get destroyed very quickly, but you know, if they do, I always have lots more where they came from, so I'm not too bothered with that. But this is the hairband that I'm going to be using. And then you just need your equipment to cut and to turn it. And then I have lots of flowers which I still have left over from when I had a craft shop. And it's all the little paper flowers. I'm not going to be using pink though because I'm not a pink person. I'll probably be using blue if I've got a blue polymer one already, so I just have to make sure that I don't use the same colors I've already got of the polymer clay ones. So we don't want to leave the wire for that long, so I'm just going to cut it in half. You can see that. I'm going to cut it in half. Now the flowers are not going to go right round because you only see basically the front part of it. So I'm just going to do it from halfway on either side of them. I'm going to try and get it in there. So as you can see, I've pushed it in through there like that, and now I'm just going to basically turn it around. That. See, I don't want to turn it around this thing because then it's going to go against my skin and it could hurt eventually because this thing is actually quite tight. So I'm going to put it around the flower itself, at the base of the flower. You can see there. The wind is blowing a lot today, which they said we might have coldness tomorrow, which I can't wait. Okay, so there's the first one, and now we're just going to go all the way around. done now with the headband. I'm going to put it on and show you what it looks like. So this is the headband finished. And as you can see, they sit all nicely if you put them all on the same side, which is something you just need to take note of, that you don't go and put it on different sides, because then it's not going to work very well. But I like my flowers because, you know, I'm a flower power, hippie, bohemian, gypsy type person. So I usually like to wear flowers in my hair. And unfortunately we can't all wear real flowers, so these will have to do. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, can you please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind just clicking the subscription block and subscribing. All my social media will be in the description block below, so you can go and check it out, including my blog, which is also full of other different things. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.